Welcome to this holiday edition of Random Review. In this episode we're going to take a look at Easter eggs. Well, not just any Easter eggs, chocolate Easter eggs. You may see them in the stores, they're literally everywhere, especially in the Netherlands where I'm from. They're really popular, and that's for a reason. Because Easter is a great holiday, whether you're religious or you just like the Easter bunny or whatever, there are eggs and there is chocolate. And that's, well, those are two great ingredients for a fun holiday. You got them in all kinds of flavors and colors and styles. I bought the white ones and the blue ones because I really like them. These blue ones are caramel sea salt and the white ones are regular white chocolate. So on the inside you got, this is of course the caramel sea salt, and let's open up a white one, or a yellow one I guess. And these are white, who would have known? Well, all in all they're really amazing, and you got so many flavors and tastes. What's not to like? It's like a really fun tradition. It's a really great product. You got caramel, you got pistachio, you got black chocolate, you got lemon ones, you got tiramisu, you got hazelnut, you got strawberry. Everything is available and everything is delicious for someone. If there are so many flavors available, then there must be one for you. All in all, I guess this is a 5-star product. It's a fun holiday. It's you're religious, or if you're not, it's great to enjoy. Get a lot of chocolate eggs this year. Eat them, enjoy them. Do a workout after so you will lose calories, because of course they're not really healthy, you know, but well, it's Easter. 5-star review. Have a blessed Easter. Thanks for watching and check you later.